everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Boomhower. If you're watching this video right now, congratulations dahil I'm sure na na-meet mo na ang 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And nandito ka dahil gusto mong malaman kung paano nga ba mag-apply or how to apply for monetization in YouTube. And here is the step-by-step guide on how to do it. Stay tuned. By the way guys, bago tayo mag-start ng ating tutorial, I want you to leave a comment. Let me know how long does it take you to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I would love to hear from you guys, so please leave a comment and let me know how long does it take you to get your goals, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is go to your YouTube studio. Ayan, so just click on your profile and go to YouTube studio. And then, on the left side of your navigation bar, meron kayo dyan makikita ng mga options. May nakasulat dito ng mga videos, playlists, analytics, comments. And then, sa baba, hanapin nyo lang guys yung monetization. So, just click on monetization. So, I just wanna show you quickly kung ano yung itsura ng isang channel na hindi pa eligible. So, kung hindi nyo pa na-meet yung requirements, usually, ito yung makikita nyo guys sa inyong mga YouTube studio. So, dito makikita nyo kung ilang subscribers meron kayo. You're supposed to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Ito yung aking second account guys. So, meron akong 207 public watch hours and 226 na subscribers. So, hindi pa siya qualified na ma-monetize. And then, here sa baba naman, makikita nyo yung nakalagay dyan. Yung pinaka-button na kulay blue is nakalagay dito, notify me when I'm eligible. So, you can actually set YouTube to notify you when the moment you are eligible. So, ayan, makaka-receive kayo ng notification from YouTube kapag na-meet nyo na yung requirements. So, now, let's proceed naman kung paano tayo mag-a-apply ng ating mga channel para ma-monetize na siya. So, let's go ahead and go to my main channel para makapag-start na tayo, guys, and mapakita ko sa inyo step by step. So, actually, this is the first time that I'm gonna do this. I haven't done this before. So, bear with me and punta tayo sa isang account ko, yung aking pinaka-main account. So, let's go to Boomhower channel. Okay, so let's go to studio. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Go to YouTube studio and then hanapin lang natin yung monetization. Okay, so ayan, nandito na tayo sa aking main account. So, ayan, ready na ako guys na mag-apply for monetization. Right now, I have 5,210 subscribers and 4,069 public watch hours. So, actually, yesterday, na-reach ko na yung 4,000 watch hours. Kaya lang, hindi lang ako nag-apply kasi yesterday, ito lang siya guys. So, meron lang akong 4,001 hour public watch hours. So, hindi pa siya enough. So, 5,200 subscribers and 4,001 hour lang yung aking watch hours. So, just in case na nagkaroon ng mga pagbabawas sa aking views or watch hours, at least meron akong extra na maidadagdag. So, I waited for another day. So, ngayon, meron na akong 4,069. So, ready na ako na mag-apply. I think this is enough. So, try natin na mag-apply, guys. So, let's go ahead and do the first step. So, ayan. Click natin apply now para makita natin kung ano yung mga gagawin natin ng mga steps. So, we have 3 steps that we need to do. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa first step, yung review partner programs terms. So, actually, na-review ko na to before. So, click lang natin. Let's see. So, ayan. So, kailangan dito, change country. So, ayan. Kung pupunta kayo sa ibang mga places, so, pwede kayo magpalit ng inyong country. Hindi naman ako aalis. So, dito pa rin ako sa US. So, hindi ko na siya iisa-isahin, guys, kasi, I don't want to waste your time, but you can also read this. Basahin nyo siya step by step. Actually, nabasa ko na ito before. So, hindi ko na siya i-discuss sa inyo guys. So, mag-proceed na tayo para mabilis tayong matapos. So, let's just click this box right here. I accept YouTube Partner Program Terms. And then, just click Accept Terms. The next, let's proceed naman sa step 2. Yung step 2 is you need to sign up for Google AdSense. So if you don't have any account yet, go ahead, mag-create muna kayo ng account. And then, pwede na kayo mag-continue dun sa step 2. So dahil meron na akong na-create na account, meron na akong Google AdSense guys, and na-connect ko na siya before, nakalagay na rito, you have successfully linked an AdSense account. So I don't have to do that right now. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano gawin yan, paano mag-create ng account sa Google AdSense, marami pong mga YouTube videos, tutorials na makikita nyo sa YouTube. Go ahead, mag-search lang kayo guys ng mga video tutorials on how to sign up for Google AdSense. Okay? And then the last step, ito na yung the most exciting part of your application. So, yung step 3, ito na yung ipaprocess na yung inyong mga application, i-review yung inyong mga channel, whether you are qualified or disqualified. So, malalaman nyo yan after a few days. It depends, guys. So, actually, yung iba ay naabot lang ng 24 hours, 3 days, 5 days, ganyan. It really depends on the channel, guys. So, we don't know. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal na ma-approve yung aking channel. But, I will keep you guys updated once na na-monetize na ang channel ko. So, ayan guys, I'm back para ma-continue ang video na ito and para na rin ma-share sa inyo ang magandang balita na ayan, finally naka-receive na ako ng email from YouTube na nagsasabi na, ayan, congratulations, your YouTube channel Marie Boomhower has been accepted into YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. So, actually, monetize na yung channel ko 2 days ago pa guys. So, nakalagay dito, December 1, 2020 at 12:59 AM ko na-receive ang email na ito. So, 2 days ago pa, nag-apply kasi ako ng November 30 ng around 3 p.m. So, in the afternoon, guys. And then, pagdating ng mga gabi na, mga madaling araw, around 12 a.m., doon ako naka-receive ng email from YouTube. And ayan, ngayon ko lang ulit na continue ang video na ito just to share with you guys kung ano yung resulta ng aking pag-apply. And na-approve naman, wala naman naging problem. Ang bilis lang. So, it took only like less than 10 hours bago ma-approve yung aking application. Yung iba, inaabot ng ilang araw. But, in my case, it only take 10 hours or less than 10 hours. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited to do a lot of things with you guys. So, ayan guys, finally, na-monetize na rin yung channel ko and I'm so happy, I'm so thankful sa lahat ng naging part ng aking YouTube journey. So, thank you so much everyone for all the love and support. Ayan, you helped me a lot to grow my channel. And para sa mga hindi pa na-monetize ang kanilang mga channel, keep going guys, be patient and never give up. I know na darating din yung time for you guys na darating kayo dito sa level na to na ma-monetize din ang inyong mga channel. So, keep going. God bless you everyone and good luck to your channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!